update KB5064081, KB5064001, not installing on Windows 11, 24H, 25H2. Step-by-step solutions. 1. Restart and retry update. Press Win+I, Windows Update, check for updates. Restart your PC and retry installing the update. 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter and apply recommended fixes. 3. Clear Windows Update cache. Press Win-R, type services at MSC, enter. Stop these services. Windows Update, WUO Observe, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, bits. Navigate to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Delete all files inside. Restart services, Windows Update and bits. Retry installing update. 4. Use SFC and DSM repair, open command prompt admin and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC and try the update again. 5. Manually install update MSU file. Go to Microsoft Update Catalog. Please open your app to see this link. Search for KB5064081 or KB5064001. Download the correct version for your Windows 11, 24H2, 25H2, x64, ARM64. Run the installer and restart your PC. 6. Reset Windows Update Components, Advanced. Open command prompt, admin, and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Retry installing the update. # SEO package, SEO title, fix KB5064081.